Hey guys, our dish for today is scrambled egg with corned beef. Here are our ingredients. So 2 eggs, chives, garlic, onion, 1 can of corned beef. Okay, procedure for our corned beef with scrambled egg. So, nag-scramble tayo ng egg. Then, nag-add tayo ng minced garlic. And then, yung ating the onion. Then, yung ating lagay natin yung konting chives. For me, pag maglagay ng corned beef, hindi na kailangan ng salt. Kasi, yung pinaka corned beef, meron na siyang lasa. Meron na siyang mga ingredients na pampalasa. So, no need to add salt. But if you want to, pwede mong lagyan ng paminta tsaka salt. So, imimix ko lang yung corned beef sa scrambled egg. Di naman kailangan ding lutuin ng yung corned beef because it's already processed. Kumbaga, luto na siya, instant lang. So here, ang procedure na-mix na natin yung ating corned beef sa scrambled egg natin. So yan, mix siya na. Meron na yung onions, minced garlic with the chives. So pwede na natin siya dito saute. Magpe-plating tayo later. Then, so, nakuha na natin yung residue. Then, mag-a-add ako ng onting pampaano lang for the presentation. Yung, nag-separate ako ng egg for scrambled egg para gagawin natin strips para sa corned beef natin. Corned beef with scrambled egg strips. Inaano natin yung ating scrambled egg. Re-plating naman tayo. So, ito na yung ano natin. Yung So, done. Then, lalagyan na lang natin siya ng chives on top and also for the rice. So, meron na tayong corned beef with scrambled egg strips. Enjoy, guys!